everyone. I hope you're keeping safe and sound and following all the precautions to avoid the spread of COVID-19. The current situation has been very challenging for all of us, and we at Amazon have been trying to do our best to help you manage your business during these difficult times. Today, I'm here to talk to you about some of our initiatives that we have rolled out in the past couple of weeks, which we hope will help you further. But before I get started, I want to recommend you to kindly bookmark the SMB COVID-19 Help Resources page. This is where we are constantly updating useful information, sharing policy updates, Amazon-powered new initiatives, etc. So do visit the page on a weekly basis at least so that you don't miss out on any of the new updates and announcements that we make during these times. The link to the page will be shared in the chat window, and the link is essentially amazon.in/SMB COVID help. Now coming to the first initiative that I want to talk about is the COVID-19 health insurance policy for all of our sellers. Like last year, we have arranged a COVID-19 health insurance policy for our sellers with a total cover of rupees 50,000. The insurance policy will be available to you at zero cost because Amazon will be paying the full premium amount for all the opt-ins under this policy. In the unfortunate event of hospitalization due to COVID-19, or if you require, let's say, specialized home care treatment on prescription from your doctor, this will reimburse the costs incurred on medical expenses as well as domiciliary treatment up to an amount of 50,000 rupees. The coverage will be valid for 1 year from the date of enrollment. In terms of eligibility, this is valid for all sellers who have had an active listing on Amazon.in any time between 1st January 2020 and 1st May 2021. And the sellers will also need to be between the ages of 18 to 60 years in order to be eligible. The group health policy is provided by ACO General Insurance Limited, and the enrollment process is it's simple, it's hassle-free. You will need to log into Seller Central and submit your details, your personal information to us. We will validate your details and reach out to you with the status of your application within a couple of days of submission of these details. Please know that you don't need to submit any medical tests for opting in at this point in time. I really urge everyone to apply for insurance. The last date for enrollment is on June 30th, 2021. So please do ensure that you opt in before the enrollment window closes. I hope that all of you stay healthy and do not have to use this insurance policy. But in an unfortunate situation, this cover will ensure that you have one less thing to worry about as you go about managing your day-to-day business. Second initiative that I want to talk about is the COVID-19 vaccination cost reimbursement for eligible sellers. So as you know, COVID-19 vaccines become available to individuals above the age of 18 years in India. We urge all of our sellers to get vaccinated at the earliest to protect themselves and their families. As a step towards our commitment to help our sellers, we will reimburse the COVID-19 vaccination costs for all eligible marketplace sellers and one of their eligible dependents. The eligibility is again same as the eligibility for insurance. That is, any seller who has had an active listing on Amazon any time between January 2020 to 1st May 2021 is eligible to opt in for this benefit. For vaccination as well, you will need to go to Seller Central, where you will be able to download your reimbursement authorization letter. You will need to fill up a small form and send us your details. In the form, you will also need to upload a copy of your payment invoice, your vaccination certificate, and the reimbursement authorization letter so that we can process the reimbursement upon validation. The payment will be credited into your bank account directly that is associated with your Seller Central account. For every seller central account, you can claim reimbursements for two people. That is one for yourself and one for your eligible dependent. Please note that you can apply for reimbursement only once. So if you want to reimburse the cost of both your vaccine doses, please apply only after you have taken the second dose. Ensure you save a copy of your payment invoice though, because that is required for us to process the reimbursement correctly. The third initiative that I want to talk about is Amazon Wings, powered by Keto. Basically, the on-ground situation, sadly, at this point in time, is fraught with various lockdowns and curfews in different states and regions. And a lot of businesses might be finding it difficult to continue supporting the livelihoods of communities that depend on them for their livelihoods. For instance, if your business is supporting artisans, weavers, underprivileged workers, daily wage workers, etc., and you're finding it difficult to continue supporting their salaries, their livelihoods, then you can consider creating, a crowdfunding campaign on Keto under the Amazon Wings program. Keto has agreed to waive off the entire success fee for all such crowdfunding campaigns so that you can directly help support the daily earnings of these workers, considering the on-ground situation. Again, all how to apply, how to enroll, etc. All of these details are present on the SMB COVID help page, and I strongly urge you to bookmark that page and visit that page for all the links. So you might also be aware of the fee waivers that we have recently launched in order to minimize the impact on sellers. In order to minimize, the negative impact on seller accounts and seller performance due to the current situation, we have also announced a number of fee waivers and refunds and policy relaxations for our sellers, including referral fee waivers, storage and removal fee reimbursement, and refund of referral fees and fulfillment fees for cancelled orders, etc. We have also rolled out several relaxations for claims and reimbursement policies and relaxations for account performance metrics in light of the situation on ground, so that we can mitigate any negative impact on your account or your performance due to uncontrollable external factors. With these initiatives, I hope that I hope that these initiatives help you manage your business, in a seamless manner in these challenging times. I would really like to thank all our sellers for constantly being on the front lines to service customer demand in a safe and secure manner throughout the course of last year and a half. And I hope that some of these measures are helpful for you, and urge all of you to take advantage of these initiatives as applicable to you and your business. As mentioned previously, a number of these initiatives like insurance, vaccination, etc., have a last date for enrollment. So please ensure that you apply for these benefits as soon as possible, so that we can help you better. Thank you so much.